Mustard chicken, potato, French toast sandwich, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the sandwich recipes and one of the most unique of the bread egg recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the French toast recipes and one of the most delicious of the bread recipes and one of the most unique of the bread egg recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the potato recipes and one of the most delicious of the chicken recipes and one of the most unique of the breakfast recipes. Today we are going to make mustard chicken potato French toast sandwich. The ingredients are 1 potato peeled and cut into pieces, around 25 grams of garlic, 1 tomato cut into pieces, around 150 grams of chicken, boneless, heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Spread the oil in the pan and let it get heated. Now put in the garlic, salt, now put in the chicken pieces. Saute the garlic and the chicken pieces together. Now put in the tomato pieces, now put in the potato pieces, salt and mix. Mix that a bit. Pour in 20 ml of water. Mix. Now put in the mustard paste, 1 spoon. Mix that a bit. taste. Put in half a spoon of mixture spices. Mix. Mix thoroughly. Pour in 100 ml more water. Mix and let the mixture cook for 6 to 8 minutes in the pressure cooker. Now, after cooking for the required time, mash the potatoes and the rest of the mixture together. Mash thoroughly so as to make a nice paste. Thoroughly mash until the potatoes are nicely made into a paste. Take 4 pieces of bread. From this take one slice. Apply the mustard chicken potato mixture that we mashed earlier evenly onto the bread. Now put the slice of bread on top and press so as to make a sandwich. Keep it aside. Take another slice. Do the same as before to make another sandwich, and these can be fried. Now cut diagonally through the center so as to make 2 triangular pieces. Do this with the other sandwich. Now break in 2 eggs. Into a bowl. Now put in salt to taste and mix to mix the yellow and the white portion of the egg into a smooth mixture, and this can be used further to make the French toast. Heat the pan and pour in 15 ml of oil. Put the oil in the pan, let it get heated. Now dip the sandwich in the egg mixture. And put it on the pan. Turn it over. Now turn it over. Now the sandwich is ready and can be taken off the flame. Now dip in the next piece into the egg mixture and put it into the and let it cook. Do this until all the sandwiches are nicely made. This is the final. Mustard chicken potato French toast sandwich, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the French toast recipes and one of the most unique of the bread egg recipes and one of the most different of the egg recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the French toast recipes and one of the most nutritious of the egg recipes and one of the most different of the potato recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.